Okay, what I got here is flat disc rotor. It's a 1/4 inch thick. I cut out some slots and put super glued with super glue gel, some magnet here, and right there, that gap, that is bucking field. There's bucking field shooting out of there. This is going to revolve inside this Romero UK chassis with a ferrite core and Litz wire coil on top, and one below. It's going to rotate in between here. And I'll have 7 coil positions, looks like. So I'll have a total of 7 coils on top, 7 coils below against 8 north, south, north, south, north, south, north, south, with a bucking field in the middle. I have this steel banding wheel used for making pottery and stuff. The magnets will stick to it, and I put this plate in between the steel and this, and I coated this plate here in between with this wax resist stuff. So hopefully it's gonna pop right off, but I bet you there'll be a problem. I'm gonna also put epoxy on this. So I have this super glue gel holding these in there, and it's going to be a bucking permanent magnet field that goes right in between a coil on top and a coil below, a ferrite core. Hopefully this won't have any lens at all, because it's a bucking field. Maybe it will, maybe it won't, so it's an experiment. It's kind of messy now. The Liberty motor that's on the internet, pretty sure that's what they're doing, if that's even real. But I noticed in their first video that they have magnets in the rotor, and they made them north against north bucking, and then that's what goes past the coils and the cores. So I'm doing this Bill Muller and Romero UK style with coils on top, coils below. And this is going to go right down through the center of where the core is. It's a mess, but it'll be okay. And I have some epoxy. When all this dries tomorrow, I'll put some epoxy on this too, and then I will pry it up. And then here's what I had. This is my Romero UK replica rotor. 20mm wide magnets. There's one on top, one below, and I have a plate in between so they kind of pinch themselves together. That's a little timing magnet on the rim, like Romero did. It's skateboard bearings. So I'm not ruining this. I'm just took it out and gonna see how it goes with this in there. With bucking fields going past those coils. Anyways, it'll be interesting. And here's my Rene charger. There's a big core in there. You know, it oscillates, has a transistor, and it shoots 19 volts into a 12-volt battery, and then followed by flyback spike. It works really well. So, okay, this is my weekend project. Be interesting to see how it goes. Okay, thanks for watching.